Hello, everyone, and welcome to another lesson. I'm very happy to have you here with me today. Today, I have very cool 5 workflows that you can start using today to start earning money, to start increasing your side revenue per month. Today, I'm going to go over these 5 workflows in n8n quickly. So I won't go deep inside of everyone because there are already videos that I've posted about each and every one of them. But I just want to take you over all of these 5 workflows so I can explain about what they do and what is the structure so you can download them and start using them today to start making revenue in the future. All right. So let's get started. So the first one I have here is the SEO blog post generator. So what this workflow does is this is basically your copywriter, your internal linking expert, your SEO expert, your social media publisher, your everything in one workflow. So this is an extremely powerful workflow for anyone thinking about starting a blog or wanting to start a blog or already have one. Okay, this automates the whole process. The process gets started with getting the keywords that you set inside of your Google Sheets sheet here, like database. So it takes the keyword, and then the first thing it does, it researches the topic. So this research agent here, we hook it up to Perplexity, and we basically go ahead and tell it to get us to identify some of the most important links, to identify some of the main topics that are already there on the internet. So this gets us things that are facts, things that are already existing on the internet. So we're starting with a very strong base. Then the second agent is to the copyright agent. So this agent has all the prompt that it needs to create the perfect blog post that is SEO friendly, that has all the sections that you need. This is hooked up to Claude, which is the strongest basically now copywriter AI model out there. So it is hooked up to that and has everything it needs. So this generates the article for us. And then the next step basically is we feed it some of our links that are already existing on our blog, and then we tell it to go ahead and search for instances inside of the article that we just wrote here. Go ahead and search in that, and then find relevant positions where you can insert a link there, and then insert it and get us back the full article. And this is what this one does. So it's an AI agent that is responsible for internal linking. And if you ever done blogging or have a blog, you know how important internal linking is. It's as important as external linking, but the only difference is that with internal linking, you have control over those links. And with external, which is backlinks, you don't have that control. So then after that, we go ahead and feed this into a social media agent, which generates a post for us to use for social media. So we can post about our article in social media as well. So then, of course, a blog post wouldn't be a blog post without a featured image. So we then go ahead and create a featured image, but we created with a templated.io, already existing template. We just replace the title with the title of the blog, and then we download the image. So it's a custom image here using templated.io, but actually we're feeding it what we want in terms of title. Okay. So then after we download the image, we then upload it, we push it to WordPress. But before we do, we need to publish the post. So we publish the post on WordPress automatically here with this WordPress node, and then we add the featured image to it. And then by this step, we already have a fully fledged blog post with a featured image and with internal linking out there. So we go ahead and then we schedule it to go ahead and publish on all of these social media like LinkedIn, X, Facebook, and Instagram. And we already generated posts already made by our social media agent. So it will already schedule on all of these platforms using Blotato. So this whole workflow just summarizes everything that you might need to create a blog post from scratch until posting it on all social media. So this is a very strong workflow that you can start using right now. You can start building blogs right now, and you don't have to put much effort into it. You just schedule it and it will run basically automatically and without any effort. So this is the first one. Let's go ahead and jump into the next one. So the next one we have here is the Upwork job automation. So this is a great way for you to start making direct revenue through Upwork. Upwork has tons and tons of jobs posted on an everyday basis, and all of these jobs ranging from small budget to really big budget. And in order to be on top of everything, an automation would solve all of the issues. So we have a RSS trigger. What does that mean? It means that it will trigger with every new job getting posted within your filters, okay, within your filters, because we already set up our filters in a website called Volna, and you can already, whenever a new job gets posted there, you get triggered, and this one gets triggered, and then we go ahead and take all the information. We generate a perfect proposal using our AI proposal agent here, using the best practices. So this prompt has everything you need to create a perfect proposal, and then we add it in our database. And then once we log in once or twice per day on this database, we will see all the jobs with all the budget and with the proposals ready, so we can just click and apply, that easy. All right, so this is a great way to start making money. I know a lot of people making lots and lots of money on Upwork, above $20,000 per month on Upwork. So you just need to automate the process and you will be ahead of most people using Upwork. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the next one. So anyone working with project management, you know how many tools you might have. So this one encapsulates all the tools. So we have here Trello with all of the Trello actions. We have Notion, we have Jira, we have ClickUp, and we have also a brain that it thinks and it gets past conversations. It updates the past conversation, and all of that is hooked into a Telegram connector pieces, so that if you send images, if you send a voice, if you send a text, everything is acceptable, and the agent will know what you're saying and will reply based on what the method that you asked it for. If you asked it in voice, it will reply in voice. And then it will go ahead and create cards in Trello, get you the cards, update the cards. It will create a to-do list on Notion. It will quickly jot something out if you have an idea. It will get all the issues in Jira. It will get the tasks in ClickUp. So this is a very powerful project management agent that you can start using today and save yourself a lot of time. And we all know that time is money. All right, so moving on to our next one here, we have here a very powerful lead generation system. So what this does is it utilizes LinkedIn jobs section. So whenever there's a job about video editors, video editing, film editors video, whenever there's a job posted there, we will get those jobs, all of them, and we'll merge them together. And then we will, of course, make sure that the duplicates are not there. So we remove all duplicates, and then we go ahead through a list of filters to filter by country, filter by foreign characters, filter by specific words. And then we aggregate all the results together, and then we we add it to our database, and we send it to Anymail Finder. So Anymail Finder is a great service that once you feed it a website or even a company name, and you can specify the decision maker. So you can ask Anymail Finder and say basically, who's the decision maker in terms of HR, in terms of CEO, in terms of finance, in terms of sales, and we'll get you the email of that person. And this is all what we want. So we want the email of that person. And then this note triggers a webhook. So whenever it finds an email, it triggers a webhook, and then the webhook will be our second part 2 of this lead gen agent. Is this webhook is triggered by Anymail Finder, and then we will add it to the instantly instantly is a cold outreach mailing service. So we will trigger instantly to add it as a lead. And if the email is not found, we will basically go ahead and search for the website of the service. We'll extract it from the LinkedIn page, and then we will search as well. So these both are searching for the decision maker. If we find any, we'll add it. If we didn't find, we'll go to the second round and we'll search again. And if all of these didn't find any email, we'll skip it. Okay. But most of the time you will find the email of that person. And once the email is found, then it triggers instantly and add it as a lead. And inside instantly, you would have already made emails that are ready to be sent whenever a new lead gets added, and you will send them the email which says, I saw that you're searching for this job, and we provide those services at a lower cost. And for example, we'll do a test for you, we'll do a demo for you, just for you to get them on a call so you can get that lead. Lead generation is still running very powerful. So this is a workflow that you could start using today and start really collecting those leads and making revenue. So let's move to the next one. This one is a very strong one. So this one here is a viral AI vlog. So this whole workflow is quite large because it's responsible for a lot of things. So this whole workflow will generate a vlog like the ones that you see today, like the Bigfoot vlogs that you see today. But this would be everything together in one workflow. So you just feed it the character, feed it the location, feed it how much minutes you want, how many minutes you want, and then it does basically everything for you. So it starts by creating a constant part. So what the constant part is, the description of the character, what it is, where it is, and how it looks. And that constant part will be present in each episode so that you can get some sort of consistency in your character. Then after it does that, it goes ahead and start creating the episode. So this is episode copywriter, which basically creates all the episode. If we click on it, and here you can see all of the episodes here are generated, and it also generates a title, right? And then a description, and then even tags for your YouTube video. And this is about a raccoon. Okay, and all of those episodes, you can see it starts with the same constant part, and then it adds what's happening in the episode. Bear in mind that this one also gets previous episodes, so it has context about the episode that you created before, so that each vlog feels connected to the one before it. Okay, so this generates, no matter how many episodes you need, this will generate based on the duration you set. Because VO3 now generates, I think, around 8 seconds per video. So if you say 1 minute, it will divide that up and it will generate the parts needed to create a 1 minute vlog. So after we do that, we take each episode and we loop over using here key.ai to create using VO fast, because it's cheaper than VO3. So we're using VO fast to create all of those small episodes. We will create them. We will poll until we get the final episode. We'll add it to our Google Drive, and then we will proceed into video stitching. So the video stitching is a very important part, because we now have like 7, 8, or 5, or no matter how many parts you have here. Instead of us stitching all of that together, we will have that done automatically using Creatomate. So Creatomate is a great API that you basically give it videos and it will stitch them together and give you one full video of the whole vlog. Now with this one, you can even go ahead further and you can create an opening title, like a logo and everything, and then an ending title, and then you can have your vlog in between. So this is a fully fledged system. So after all of the parts are put together, we will add it to the final folder with the final video. And then we can even, if we connect this to YouTube, we can just publish on YouTube. So in order to create just a new episode, you just click, you schedule it to create a new video every day or 2 videos per day. And then that's it. You forget about it. It will create a vlog every day and post it on YouTube with the titles, with the tags, with the description, and everything would be perfectly ready for you to see. And here, if you can see here, we have one of those videos.
Hey humans, Rocky Raccoon here, New York's furriest tour guide. Follow me. First stop, Central Park's secret.
So as you can see here, it generated a fully fledged video for us using this workflow. So I think the last one here is the Reddit scraper. So the Reddit scraper, why I wanted to include that is because Reddit is just a treasure in terms of ideas, in terms of people reviews, in terms of people talking about what they need, about what their problem is. And basically, if you solve people's problems, you will be able to make a lot of revenue because people want their problem solved and they will throw money on whoever fixes all of their issues. And this is great because this scraper just searches for inside of Reddit using an Amplify scraper. It will search for posts and comments. So not just posts and comments about a certain keyword that you give it, right? It's here connected to a Telegram. So you chat with it, you could say, search Reddit for example, let's say best sleeping supplements, for example. And then it will go ahead and get the posts from Reddit, get the comments, aggregate all of them together and use an AI agent that will summarize all of those comments, all of those posts together and give you a summary of what's happening on Reddit regarding your keywords, what the people are saying, what the people are talking about, even the comments. And then it will get back to you with a message about all of that, all at your fingertips, all on your Telegram. So you can see how powerful that is, how powerful Reddit can be for you and your business. All right, so that's about it. Those are the 5 that I want to go over today. Of course, inside of my community, the AI automation kit, inside of there's more than 65. I think we are now at 68 workflow available for you inside of the community, as well as many courses. You can see here, you have beginners courses for Make, you have beginners courses for n8n, you have even intermediate courses. You have all of these blueprints, both for Make and n8n and Comfy UI. You have also lead generation systems with the emails, with the templates. You have documentations, and you have tons of discounts available inside of there. And I'm there to answer your questions. I'm there to help you along the way. So I would love for you to join. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.